Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, we're here at Rockville, Maryland, USA to visit. So, thank you for watching everyone. God bless us all. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Don't forget to like and share. Spread love everyone and like and share, subscribe and make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Good afternoon, good morning wherever you are, and evening wherever you are in the whole world. Ingat po kayong lahat, mabuhay po tayong lahat, and take care and God bless you all. Thank you for watching and God bless. See you again soon, so long and God bless. Spread love, see you again soon. Peace. Spread love everyone and thank you for watching and God bless you all. It's Megan, it's Pinay Vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support my YouTube channel to make it big, and thank you and see you again soon. It's Megan, it's Pinay Vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long.